love to entertain, so I'm always looking for some great cocktail recipes, and I have bartender Adam with me. What are we making?
We're making the Ginny the Pooh.
Ginny the Pooh. So I take a gin's in it.
Absolutely, and specifically a gin from Winnipeg, Manitoba. So there's the story of Winnie the Pooh starts with
yes.
the Winnipeg Zoo and the bear and all that. So I figured it would be clever.
Is that why we have some honey pots?
I use the honey bottles. Yeah, I thought that would just
tie it all in, right?
Yeah. And we got the honeycomb to garnish with, also completely edible, which is pretty awesome.
Amazing. I don't know if people actually really know about that. I only learned about that recently. You can just completely eat it.
Absolutely, it's 100% edible. It's good for you as well. So I mean, we're making some health food here today.
I'm good with it. Okay, so how do we get started?
First we're going to start with a lot of gin.
A lot of gin. Ooh, not even a measurement, just a lot of. A lot of.
So there is a measurement to it. And since we're going to make two, I'll put it in there twice.
Okay.
So we got 2 ounces per drink. That's all you need. We're at the martini level at that point. A little bit of simple syrup.
Okay.
Just a 1/4 ounce.
Just give a little sweetness to it.
Yeah, so we'll do that twice. There we are.
Measure out everything twice.
We'll do the lime juice, so we'll do half an ounce. I'll just
a little bit of acidic to cut it, right?
Yeah, you want a little bit of zing tang. We're gonna be putting
zing tang. That's gonna be my new thing.
We got some ginger beer in there too, and just to balance that and bridge.
Should I crack this open?
You can absolutely crack that
Beauty.
open. Oh, it's just a twist off. They made it very easy for me.
Look at me trying to be all complicated.
Yeah, they made it very easy for us. That's one of the reasons I really like that brand. Makes it easy. So then we're just gonna put 2 ounces of that. So again, actually we're gonna wait. We're gonna top that.
We'll do that after, right?
Because if we put that in there, it's just gonna blow up.
It's just gonna, yeah.
We don't want that at all. So we're just gonna scoop a little ice here to shake with.
Because it chills it down as it's going, right?
Yeah, and it mixes it up.
Do you have like a special shake you do? Is there like a shake thing?
I don't. I've seen there's the two-handed shake is always solid, especially. Yeah. But I generally, because you can shake with 2 hands if you have to.
I like it. So multiple going.
Yeah, like I've done a lot of different types of bartending.
Can I get the garnish going on this? I love it. I got some honeycomb. Listen to that shake go.
So then we're gonna put some.
I love the copper cups. Very trendy, very cool.
They also work with the theme, just because they kind of look like Winnie the Pooh's honey pots.
Of course.
So I just went with the copper mugs there.
I love it. Pour it over and
strain that in.
Go. Fancy.
Yeah, very fancy.
I love it. Here's your honey.
Yeah,
awesome.
We're also gonna put some ginger beer in there on top.
Top it all up.
Just gives it like an effervescence. And that's about enough, just a little 2 ounces, and the same with here.
Well, cheers to this, right? Thank you, sir.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.